What's going on? This is Lewis from Squeaky Clean Commercial Cleaning Company. I wanted to drop another video today about what's going on. So right now I'm walking downtown Columbia, South Carolina. I have a job going on as I'm shooting this video. We have an account down here that we handle business for them. We clean their facility 5 days a week. Usually it's right around after closing time, which is around 5:30. And we do this, like I said, 5 days a week. So I posted a video probably a few weeks back in reference to coming in to do a inspection for the location. And when we were doing the inspection, one of the people that actually work in the facility praised my team about how good of a job they were doing. So as she was discussing that, I saw the manager of the facility, and he asked if we did carpet cleaning, and I told him yes, of course. The answer is usually yes when someone asks you something, and then you figure out how to subcontract it out to someone else. Well, I actually lucked up because, well, I wouldn't say lucked up. I prepared. I had my opportunity where I'd already vetted people that were doing carpet cleanings, window cleanings, pressure washing, etc. And I kind of added them to my partnership or my affiliate partnerships, so that whenever I had a client that needed something specific that I personally didn't do, I knew that I had people that I could contact and send, trying to get a quote for them, figure out how much it was going to be for them to do the job, and then you put your percentage in, whether it be 10%, 15, 20%, whatever percentage you want to make a profit out of, you subcontract it out to them, and then there you go, you get the job accomplished. All you have to do is make sure that once the subcontractors come into the job, that you have somebody kind of quality inspecting them, or supervising, not necessarily supervising, because you can't really supervise subcontractors, but you can make sure that they follow the things that needed to be accomplished by the request of the client. That way you're not putting yourself into any unwanted territory when it comes to IRS and dealing with subcontractors, reference W-2 employees. So you're going to make sure you don't give them any restrictions, but you have to let them know what the job entails, what the clients want, and then you just go that aspect. But right now I have a gentleman in there. He does pretty much all of my carpet cleaning, and now he's one of my partners that is an affiliate. So whenever I have anybody that requires, and I apologize for the noise behind me, but whenever I have anybody that's looking for carpet cleaning, I contract him out, make sure that he can do it. I get what his quote is. I add my little percentage profit to it, and then the job gets done, and I just make sure that someone is here to kind of supervise and make sure everything that the client wants done is actually accomplished. It's pretty much as simple as that. Subcontracting 101. So make sure you do this with not just carpet cleaning. You can do it with house cleaning, residential, because we only do commercial. But if you know somebody that wants to do residential, you can do that. Like I said, pressure washing. You can do soft washing. You can do anything. Painting, handyman. You can add all of that to the list of things that your company provides, and you just subcontract that out to somebody else. There's game. Keep moving. Talk to you later.